love story about these two star-crossed lovers, Romeo and Juliet. So one night Juliet meets Romeo at this party, right? And it's totally like... But meanwhile, their families are all...
I hate you! Dude, stop! What'd you say to me?
So they can't. Without... So Romeo ninjas his way into Juliet's courtyard, all like... And he's totally sweet-talking her, just like...
Put right through your window braids!
And she's like...
Romeo! Romeo! Wrap around ball, Romeo!
And so he's just like...
Hey, I'm down here.
Anyway, then Romeo gets banished, which makes Juliet like... So that everybody thinks she's all... But that makes Romeo all... Which makes Juliet all... And that's like the saddest love story ever, so let's just say they woke up. Their parents became best friends, and they drove off in this really cute convertible, had like 10 million babies, and lived happily ever